In this video, I will show you step by step on how to import from China using 1688 shopping app and how to import from China using Pinduoduo shopping app without using agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end and see step by step on how to import from China, whether from 1688 shopping app or Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, on Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to procure import from China using 1688 shopping app and how you procure import from China using Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's begin. Welcome back, everybody. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure we start to place the order with Pinduoduo shopping app. I'm going to click on my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you want to do is to visit your profile. From your profile, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. Right here, I have the item. This is the item I want to purchase. I have already added it to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel and see how to add item to cart on Pinduoduo shopping app. After you've successfully add the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to select the item. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Next thing I'm going to do is you can see the two items right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that my Alipay is checked. And then I'm going to click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on confirm, then enter my payment password. So it's as simple as that. So you can see payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. Then I go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the two items we just purchased using Pinduoduo shopping app. So this is how you purchase on Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's check out on how you can purchase on 1688. So let's go. So for us to purchase on 1688, first thing first, we need to make sure we head over to our 1688 app right here. Having opened up your 1688 app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart on 1688, consider to check the video on my channel. After you have successfully added the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. So all the item you have in your cart is going to load up just like what you see right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select each of the item I want to purchase, and this one right here. So I'm going to select them one after the other. I'm going to purchase this. I'm going to purchase this, and I'm going to purchase this. 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 Then I'm going to purchase this and this. Then I'm going to purchase this. I'm going to purchase this, and I'm going to purchase this. All right, so I'm going to purchase all these selected items right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment and checkout. Then right here, I can scroll down and check all the preview of the items right here. So I can scroll down and check everything. So once I'm going to check on everything right here. So once you're satisfied with everything as far as checkout and preview is concerned, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So I'm paying the sum of 834 yuan to purchase all these items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. I'm going to click on here to confirm, then enter my payment password. So you can see the proof that the payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products we just purchased, all the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So you can see all the item we just purchased on 1688 right here. So this is how to buy or how to purchase from Pinduoduo and 1688 import from China to whatever country of your choice. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about importation business tutorial like this,
you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.